Welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing you how to unlock today's daily cipher. So today being June 21st 2024, so I'll be revealing the Morse code for today. So the Morse code for today is FARM, FARM. So let's go to the daily cipher here. So when you click on this daily cipher, the interface will change to this. So the first letter is F. So to get the first letter, we'll do dot dot dash and dot dash, and that was a mistake. Dot dash and dot. Dash is long press. So to get A, we do dot and dash, one dot and one dash, one dot and one dash. That's for A. So to get the R, we do dot dash dot dash dot R. To get the M, you do dash dash. That's long press twice. Long press, dash dash for the M. So as you can see, the code is cracked. You take the prize. So that's it for today's video, guys. Ensure to like this video, subscribe, and then turn on bell notification to get more updates on Hamster Kombat, pixel vars, and other related airdrops and crypto tips. Thank you.